Hi guys, and welcome to another video. And in this lesson we're going to be looking at what happens when you do the electrolysis of a solution. In our previous video we learned that electrolysis is the splitting of an ionic compound using electricity. The negative ion is attracted to the positive electrode and the positive ions are attracted to the negative electrode because opposites attract. During electrolysis, the ions will turn back into atoms by either losing or gaining electrons. But what happens if that ionic substance is dissolved in water? Well, when we dissolve an ionic substance in water, the water itself splits up into ions. So the water will ionize and we will get hydrogen ions and we will get hydroxide ions. And these will be present within the solution. And this can affect what's formed at each electrode. Because if the metal is more reactive than hydrogen, then hydrogen gas is produced. And we will start to see bubbles forming at the negative electrode. But if the metal is less reactive, than hydrogen, then the metal is discharged. So let's take a look at a practical example for you guys to take a look at here. Here we've got a solution containing some copper ions and some hydrogen ions. Both of these ions will be attracted to the negative electrode, but copper is less reactive than the hydrogen. So the copper will be discharged at this electrode. The copper ions will gain electrons to form copper atoms. And you'll start to see a reddish brown coating around this electrode as the copper's formed. But if we had this solution here where we've got sodium ions and hydrogen ions, the sodium ions are more reactive than the hydrogen. And remember, because the hydrogen is less reactive, hydrogen gas will be formed. So we'll start to see bubbles at this electrode of hydrogen. The half equation for this process would look something like this. And all this is telling us is that there are two hydrogen ions that gain electrons and turn into hydrogen, the gas molecules. We will take a look at half equations as they show what's happening at each electrode in another video. Okay guys, thanks for tuning in. Stay in touch for another video.